Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Roddy. Today we're gonna replace the shocks on a 2012 Toyota Camry. Easier, more simpler, less headaches, and you don't have to worry about even hurting yourself. So I hope you enjoy this video, and let's go. Make sure you have a jack to jack the car up to get the wheels off the ground. Then go ahead and remove the front wheels. Remove the end links and then the brake line from the shocks. Then right here, you're going to use a screwdriver to remove the ABS wire. And then you're going to remove the two bolting nuts that's holding in the spindle with the shocks. Now, when removing the spindle from the shocks, be careful because you do not want to separate the axle from its joints. Then remove the nuts that's holding in the strut tower. Now you can remove the shocks from the car. Now repeat the same process on the other side of the vehicle. And just like the other side of the vehicle, make sure that you do not let the axle separate from its joints, just like here. And if it was to slip out, just give it a gentle push back in. If it gives you any difficulties, that means that it's all the way out and the bearings inside the joint has separated. In reverse, repeat the process to install the new shocks in the vehicle for both sides. Now you're just going to place the shocks and just catch one of the nuts so that it's in place for the rest. this shock has a bearing in the tower, so whenever time the wheel turns, it turns along with the wheels. So I'm right here, I'm just making sure everything is good, and then start putting back everything together. Now you see me right here testing the axle to make sure it's moving back and forth freely. If I was to do that and it has any type of play or stiffness in it, that means I would have to remove that boot and fix the axle in place. And if I did not do that, and if it was to fall out of place while driving, you would destroy the axle. So it's very important that you make sure that the axle is sliding back and forth freely with no play in it. Right here I have the jack stand underneath the car and using the jack to raise the spindle to align it with the shocks. So this way I can get the bolts in. Okay, so what do you think? Have fun replacing your parts and be safe. See you next time. Peace.